All right, good morning, everyone. Wherever part of the country, wherever part of the world you are watching me from, this is Super Messi FX Live again. All right, and this is my trade for the whole of Monday today. In case on this account particularly, I'm making massive profit. Volatility is playing to advantage to us. What a strategy. So come on board, let's teach you. If you want to learn, just drop it as a comment, we'll pick it up from there. Then don't forget also to like and subscribe to this channel. It gives you education on gold entry, it gives you exposure and experiences on gold entry, and that way you become a profitable trader. All right, see you then. Until our take profit is hit, bye for now. Super Mercy FX in the building. Yes, so bye. Peace. Yeah.